50 huts belonging to squatters on the banks of the Irrawaddy in Mandalay have been demolished by local authorities. The families had moved to a stretch of farmland on higher ground to escape flooding, but were evicted by the landowners. The families had marched to the township's civic office to address their concerns, but they were denied a meeting with officials. The group say authorities initially promised to resettle them, but have gone back on their word. Now, over 50 families, many with young children, are homeless and have nowhere to go.